Hello everyone, welcome to Saral English at Sakhar Institute. So, how's everyone? I'm very sure everybody is happy and healthy. और आप लोग इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं, इंग्लिश की जर्नी में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं and I'm very sure and I am very sure कि आप लोग अपनी लाइफ में इस जर्नी में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं मजबूत कदमों के साथ. And if you want to learn more properly, if you want to increase your speed, तो उसका एक ही solution है, keep going through my videos again and again. So as I keep saying in most of my videos that English is a language, fine, it's not a subject. We should not learn it like a subject क्योंकि एक भाषा है और हमें इसी भाषा की तरह सीखना चाहिए जैसे बाकी भाषा सीखते हैं. और भाषा को सीखने का सबसे आसान और सरल तरीका क्या है, उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बोलें, सुने, फाइन, और बोलें, सुने और बोलें. That is the only mystery and or you can say that is the only the trick to learn any language in this world. Fine. So in most of my videos it's my attempt to take up some very small situations or to take up day life situations where we can actually learn how to speak. हम ऐसी situations उठाते हैं जो हमारी day to day life में अक्सर आती हैं and हम वहाँ पे stuck हो जाते हैं. Fine. And many times while I was taking classes and all, many times students come up to me and they say, ma'am, it's easy for us to speak in group discussions, it's easy for us to speak in a debate, but when it comes to day speaking, there we get stuck. Fine. तो उनका मोस्टली ये होता था कि मैम ग्रुप डिस्कशन में भी हम शायद बोल लेते हैं, डिबेट का भी टॉपिक होता है तो हम बोल लेते हैं थोड़ा बहुत, लेकिन डे टू डे लाइफ में हम स्टक हो जाते हैं. ऐसा क्यों होता है? ऐसा इसलिए होता है बिकॉज when you are preparing for a group discussion, आपको मान लीजिए 4-5 टॉपिक्स आपके पास ऑलरेडी हैं, आपने उनके हर एक के कुछ पॉइंट्स याद कर लिए हैं, क्लियर, या आपका कोई डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन है, सो यू ऑलरेडी नो द टॉपिक, फाइन, सो यू हैव लर्न्ड दोज सेंटेंसेस, सो इट इज़ नॉट डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू स्पीक आउट दो सेंटेंसेस. लेकिन जब हम डे टू डे लाइफ में बात करते हैं तो हमें पहले से नहीं पता होता है कि हमें अगले क्षण क्या बात करनी है. वी डोंट नो व्हाट वी हैव टू स्पीक नेक्स्ट. फाइन, हमें नहीं पता कि सामने वाला हमसे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछेगा और हमें उसका क्या जवाब देना है. सो द थिंकिंग एंड द स्पीकिंग हैज टू गो साइड बाय साइड, दे हैव टू गो हैंड इन हैंड. फाइन, दे हैव टू गो हैंड इन हैंड. हैंड इन हैंड, इट्स अ फ्रेज, इट मीन्स साथ साथ, क्लियर. So when we have to do the thinking and the speaking together, fine, there we get stuck. So this video and most of my videos are basically to emphasize upon the situational speakings. So the first situation we take is like suppose you went to the market or you had gone to the park, fine, and there you met Mrs. Sharma. Mrs. Sharma is your mom's friend और मे बी शी इज़ योर नेबर. फाइन, वो आपसे आपकी मम्मी के बारे में पूछ रही थी, आपकी मम्मी का हालचाल पूछ रही थी और मे बी उन्होंने कहा कि मम्मी को बोलना मिलने के लिए आएंगी या फ़ोन करेंगी या वो आएंगी घर पर. सो you are basically telling your mother that you met Mrs. Sharma or Sharma auntie, fine, और आपके बीच में क्या कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ आपकी मम्मी को लेकर. Hey mummy, do you know who I met today in the market? Sharma auntie, yes, I saw her at the superstore. She was buying groceries. At first I couldn't recognize her. Actually, she has cut her hair really short, so I couldn't recognize her from the back. But then she called out my name and I turned back and I turned around and I saw, oh my God, this is Sharma auntie. And she was so happy to see me. I was equally happy. She was asking about you. She was asking about you. वो आपके बारे में पूछ रही थी. And she was asking about your health and she even said that you had not called her up for many days, or rather you had not talked to each other because even she has not called you for so many days. She was telling me that she was not in Delhi for the last 3-4 months. Actually, she had gone to her son in the US. She has returned just last week. She was asking for you again and again. Mama, please go and meet her. After all, she lives all alone here. She has given her new number to me and she told me that she has changed her phone number. She was saying that do tell Mama to come and meet me. or why don't you call her, mama? I mean, it would be nice to meet her. After all, it's been so long that we have met her. And Sharma auntie is really an interesting person. Okay, I'll just share her number on your phone. तो इस सिचुएशन में हमने अपनी मम्मा को ये बताया है कि शर्मा आंटी हमको मिली थी, वो आपके बारे में पूछ रही थी। उन्होंने कहा कि वो आपको कॉल करेंगी या आप उनको कॉल करिए, फाइन, या आप उनको मिलने चले जाइए या आप उनको मिलने के लिए बुला लीजिए, फाइन। सो द नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन वी टेक अप इज दैट सपोज आपके कोई पुराने पड़ोसी थे, योर नेबर, फाइन, वो शिफ्ट हो गए हैं यहाँ से, एंड यू वर वेरी गुड नेबर्स, आई मीन यू वर वेरी क्लोज टू ईच अदर. सो हाउ डू यू फील दैट दे हैव शिफ्टेड एंड यू आर शेयरिंग दिस एक्सपीरियंस विद सम अदर फ्रेंड ऑफ योर्स? Hey Neeta, you know that Shalini has shifted. Yeah, you know, I mean, they shifted last week. I'm feeling so depressed, you know. I mean, I don't feel like coming out of my house ever since they've shifted. As you already know, Shalini and I were very close. Rather, our whole family was close to each other. I mean, we were like a big family together. Yeah, her son is same age as my daughter, and her elder son is the same age as my son. Yeah, so it was like, you know, like everybody is equally upset ever since they've shifted from here. Even she was not very keen on moving away from here, moving out of here, but she couldn't help it. After all, you know, her husband has got transferred. Don't you know her husband is in army? Yes. Yeah, now they've moved. She's moved to Srinagar. Yes. I did call her yesterday night, and we talked for quite a long, and you know, I didn't even realize when tears started rolling from my eyes while speaking to her. And you know, whenever I look at the house, I really feel very lonely from inside. I've heard that some people are coming there, as tenants. I don't think somebody has bought that house yet. I hope that my new neighbors are good. I don't think they would be equally good as Shalini and her family, but even if they are fairly good, it would be good enough for me because, you know, she has left a big void by moving out of here. She has left a big void. VOID. Void का मतलब होता है खालीपन. तो उसके जाने से बहुत ज़्यादा खालीपन आ गया है, बहुत ज़्यादा गैप आ गया है. Clear? So we have discussed two situations जहाँ पर हमने पहले बात करी कि आपकी मम्मी की कोई फ्रेंड आपको मिली थी, आपने अपनी मम्मा को उनके बारे में बताया. In the next situation we have taken that आपके कोई नेबर शिफ्ट हो गए हैं और आपको बहुत दुख है उनके जाने का, and you are discussing this with some other friend of yours. Fine. So that's all for today's class. That's all for today's video. I hope you are watching my videos. I hope you are liking my videos. Fine. And I hope you are learning from my videos because that is the most important part, right? So please keep sharing and liking my videos and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye.